Now let's solve for x from here, given square root of x on x equals 2. Alright, we have so many ways of dealing with this one. We can choose to square both sides, or we can choose to make this side over 1 and do cross multiplication. Alright, now let's make this side over 1, okay, and do cross multiplication. So that will be square root of x equals to 2x. So from here, because we want to remove the radical sign here, we have no option but to square both sides. So, and this one will cancel this. X equals to, this one squared will be 4x squared. So this one is the same as 0 equals to 4x squared minus x. So 4x squared minus x, you can factorize x out here. That will be x out 4x minus 1. Yes. So x out 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So this one is 0 product, which means the first answer go to 0. And also 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. That will be 4x equals to 1. X equals to 1 on 4. Alright. So that is that.